काफिराना सा है. Guys, the weather is very nice and I'm feeling very nice. Right? It's not too hot. Sushi. Dokoniku. So guys, if you want to buy omiyage, so this is Fuji-san, Fujiyama omiyage, like the gifts for your loved ones, 980 yen. So people are buying gifts for their loved ones. Guys, if you get down at 5th station of Mount Fuji and you want to go to the washroom, you have to pay 100 yen, means around 60 rupees. See, here it's written 1 person 100 yen for going to washroom. Better to go to Loo in the bus only. See this Doraemon cookie, looks very cute. 700 yen, 12 pieces. We've even kept the handkerchief in Fuji way. See. And the price of this is 1650 yen. Everything you will see in Fuji way, like this is mountain and this is the snow, and these are the popcorns. This is again blue and white, and the price of this is 790 yen. You can see these caps. So this is also in the form of Fuji mountain, blue, white. You can wear it. And here you see even the sunglass. This blue and snow is there. Try this sunglass. Mount Fuji. No, I'm looking something else. This sunglass is 900 yen. Let's go out. It's too much crowded here because Natsuyasumi, the summer holidays, have also started. Let's go there and see how the view is. Wow. See, horses are also there. Hello, konnichiwa. What language do you understand? Hindi, English, Japanese. So guys, we have to pay 2000 yen for climbing Mount Fuji, and Busan has paid for me. I'll pay to him later. Busan. Arigato. Ato da share karo. Ate. Misete? Oh, kore. So guys, this you have to wear this. You have to buy it from here. Again, you have to pay 2000 yen to buy this to be able to climb Mount Fuji. Oh. So guys, we are starting our climb. So guys, we have to clean our shoes before climbing the mountain. Like this. See. So if you are coming, you have to clean your shoes. So this is the entry gate. And yeah, so we have started our climb. Nippon. Oh, 何が吸ってる? Oh, 虫。富士山に住んでるんだ。そのままでいいですか? 富士山の居住者。すごい。綺麗です。As we are above the ground level, around 2300 meters, and you can't recognize Momo. Darda. Guys, if you see there also, look at the view. All clouds, and it looks like we are running on the level of clouds. Now the view is more beautiful, right? And here, मेरे साथ आ रहे हैं मेरे पीछे मेरे दो पाशिंदे. Here some shadow is there, so all of us have stopped here for some break. Usually if you take the break and climb a mountain, then it becomes easy to climb. So everyone is taking break here. So we are also taking break. Guys, it's very difficult here for the horse also, I think, to get down from this kind of surface. Hello. Yeah. You too? Okay, thank you. Let's start. more and more we are going to go upwards, the climb is going to get more and more difficult. Even right now you can see the climb is unbalanced. So yeah. Oh. She's also announcing something.
If you are climbing with a group, be careful not to be separated. And in use, there are no mountains.
So guys, they have given us this map, but since I have Japanese people with me, so they will take care of where to go, where to do, what to do. So I don't need to worry about that. We are going to go like this, see the route. So from here, we'll go here like that. I think this is the route that we are going to take. You can see, like for Mount Fuji summit, you have to go this way, which I just showed you. And for Yoshida trailhead, you have to go this way. But what is this way? Yeah, Yoshida trailhead is for something like if you want to get down, so you have to take Yoshida trail like this. You have to go downstairs. This is my first experience coming above the clouds. So I'm very excited to see all this. So we are going to go above, so it will be more amazing view to see. Guys, वो व्यू देख के ना मुझे वो याद आ रहा है. इन वादियों में टकरा चुके हैं. So guys, now we are going to take this route, like this. So first, let's go this way. Go. Skarteru. No, imi wa hai ie. Skarete nai. Oh, suyoi. Cool. Skarteru. Sorry, it's so soda. Few people have gotten so tired that they have lied down there. Now we are going to climb this kind of mountain. So yeah, bear with me. Let's go. Let's go.
We call it Speedy Die.
What do you call it?
Speedy Die.
Suberi Die. Okay, let's go, Nippon. Momoko, hi. We have crossed that obstacle and it was very fun to cross that, and now we are climbing these stairs. You can see the price of products. Udon wa 1000 yen, ramen wa 1000 yen, curry rice wa 1200. Okay. Guys, curry rice there, it was around 1200 yen. So not that expensive here, considering it is at Mount Fuji. Now I'm going to sing a song and you see what happens. Kafirana sahe. Seventh station. Okay, we have reached the 7th station. You can see chai 200 yen. Restaurant. Drink some energy drink, otherwise I lose all my energy and it's very difficult to climb Mount Fuji, you know that. So this is craft energy. Nice. Guys, we have come further up and this is how the view is. Guys, climbing with one hand and holding the phone with another hand is another next level task. But yeah, it's fun to do this. This kind of climbing is not that difficult for Indians, even if it is first time, because we are Indians. Ooh, Nippon. Kibasho. Just now a boy has passed and he was doing like but we three are at the normal level because we were taking rest in between. so that we can do the climbing properly. Guys, now it's very difficult to go. See, you have to go this way, and if you slip, you go down. But I will hold the camera and show it to you, and I'll hold this chain and cross this. Let's see how Momoko is going to do. Sugoi, tsuyoi. Okay. So guys, this is our stoppage, and this is where we are going to stay overnight. See this, Fujichi-kan, altitude 2800 meters. This is how it looks like, and we are going to stay here overnight. And that is the restroom. Like if somebody wants to go, then you have to pay 200 yen, which is around 120 rupees. Isn't it expensive? But yeah, if we see the place, yeah, obviously they'll charge something, and people who are going to stay here overnight are sitting there. So they all are going to stay here, I think, overnight. And at night, 12 o'clock around, we will start our journey again. So guys, you see how Japanese people take care of other people, that they should not create disturbance or any problem for other people. I'll show you one example. Here you can see this road is a little small, and that is a wide road. So Momoko was sitting here and she said, no, I'll go and sit there. So she sat far from us because she said that people will pass from here and it will be a problem for them. Actually, even if she sits there, there will be no problem for people to pass from here. But still, she went and sat there so that people who are passing, they do not have any problem. So that's how Japanese people think. Their core value is that they should not create meiwaku, like disturbance or problem for any other person. Eating onigiri on Mount Fuji is another experience that I want to save on my videos. Onigiri on Mount Fuji. This I will remember all my life. What do you want to eat after coming on Mount Fuji? Let me know in the comment section. So guys, he's giving him the stick to engrave the signature. So we see how he's going to do.
日本語で訳すと今役員が押されています。
お、そうですか。
そうですかね、きっとそんな感じでしょ。
ありがとうございます。
かっこいい。
お、すごい。
すごいです。今役員が押されました。そして300円です。はい、すみません。
So guys, this is 300 yen.
あ、あったあったあったあったあった。
おー、ちょっと待って。
イエーイ。
ありがとうございます。やっとできた。
やっとできた。
はい。Guys, let me show you the place where we are going to stay. So I have to put my shoes in this. Like this. Iswarimasho. Nippon. So guys, this is the information that you have to follow. The information to note is that 200 yen you have to pay if you want to use the washroom for the first time, and then it's free of cost. All are going to sit here like this in the lounge. Guys, this is how it is going to be. See, you can't even stand properly. You just have to lie down. So this is our place. 3 people. Nippon neteru ka. So there is no light here. You have to use your own lamp. This is our section, right? And that is other people's section. So you can use these curtains also when you will sleep. Gyokare?
牛カツ。
OK チキンカレーとこれは何ですか？
それは
お茶
牛の血。
お茶これは
これ牛。
本当のこと
ゼリーゼリー。
ジェリーこれ野菜
牛。
It's good that they provided us with this because we paid 15,000 yen. So guys, we are ready. I can't talk loud. And these two are also ready. And right now you can see it's 11:09. So we are ready. This is the headlight. Now let's go. Nippo, 行きましょうか。 So guys, you can see how it is looking like 11 o'clock right night. So right now, as you know, it's 11 o'clock, so it's all dark. But if I press this button, it will turn on the light. Want to see? Okay, let me turn around and then I'll turn on. See? Ooh. So I'm like some superhero. But if I don't turn on this light, you will not be able to see anything. So if I flip the cam now, it's also bright. If I turn off this light, see? It's all dark. If I turn on, it's so bright. Bright ne. Akarui ne.
めっちゃ明るい。めっちゃブライト。
ブライトですか。お化けみたいです。
あれだ。
お化け。お化け。本当だ。